I like the night, I like the silence, I like when it's quiet. As designer and somebody who was always working as creative person, I enjoy to be alone. I enjoy to walk through the city, to feel this atmosphere. Being in Czech, being in Prague, being by Škoda is something what is very close to me. I got the chance to work for many brands, and I have to say I enjoy it each time. But now, of course, for Škoda, for brand where I was born with, is something special. My passion is design, and was always my dream to do it. Simply to give the cars the character. Design is not only about to look pretty. Design is as well about to be recognizable. Therefore we need design DNA, and therefore we need authentic design. To get all your visions on the road, it's not enough if you do it alone. Of course you need a strong team. And I have to say, I have one and I'm very proud of it. Precision is very important for me. Simplify the shape to perfection. Looking for the combination of light and shadow, which attract not only the brain, but especially the heart. And of course, the nicest moment is one day when you stand in front of the car and you look at it and you say, yeah, this is the new Škoda. Then you know it was worth it.